it is if it does, if he does need to activate. You guys have your credentials?
He needs to be able to. Oh, okay.
Travelers, are we with the people ahead of us?
What's that?
Are we with the people
No.
ahead of us? Perfect. Welcome in.
That's a person.
Seal that door behind them. At last, welcome to Savi's workshop. I am not Savi. He's off planet scavenging for scrap metal. He left me in charge. This place may not look like much, but to our group it's the whole world. The past and the future, especially the future. This may look like a lot of old junk, but let me assure you, some of this is new junk. My associates you've met, you may call me Kembe. We are the Gatherers, a secret society dedicated to preserving the old knowledge that we are very much in danger of losing. We search the galaxy gathering ancient relics. We only visit the forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. Whatever we find, we bring here. So, if a stormtrooper should one day come through that door, he'll see worthless clutter, but we know it is priceless history. For friends in this time, preserving our past is the only chance we have of ensuring our future. You've all heard the legend of the great Jedi Luke Skywalker, yes? We hear there is another, a new Jedi, and she is a scrapper, like us. Does anyone know her name?
Red.
Yes, we believe she is the spark of hope that we've been waiting for. That is why we're gathered here. It's time to bring back the old knowledge by building a lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant, enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber is a reflection of the one who builds it, and the Force flows between them. Today, you are the ones who will feel that connection. But enough talk. Let's begin. We'll begin with the most important element of your lightsaber. It's kyber crystal. Able to focus the energy of the Force, actually to magnify it. The kyber crystal is the beating heart of a lightsaber. It's the color of the crystal that determines the color of the lightsaber's blade. You may recognize these if you've studied your history. The blue crystal, once wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now Rey. Green. This is the crystal of Qui-Gon Jinn, so long ago. Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. Violet. Now this is the rarest, wielded by only one that we know of, Mace Windu. Red. The color of power. Behold, the crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are the stories of the past. We are here for you. You are the future. It is now time for each of you to select a kyber crystal of your very own. So please, with me, close your eyes and see the crystals floating there in your mind. Now reach out with your feelings. Which one is calling to you? Blue, green, violet, red? And remember, as you choose a crystal, the kyber crystal is choosing you. Now open your eyes and take the first step. Now to keep these crystals safe, place them on that tiny holder there in front of you. You'll need that gem out of your way as you begin construction of the hilt of your lightsaber. The hilt! It's the whole weapon! The foundation of control, also the part that prevents your hands from disintegrating. Now my fellow gatherers are placing before you a jumble of components. Each of these boxes represents a different era in the history of lightsaber design. It's like having the whole history of our galaxy right here on the table. Remember, friends, you will not be using everything you see. You'll have many decisions to make. On the left, we'll start with the long, thin tube. That's the chassis, which houses the kyber crystal. Next, activation plates on the far right clamp around the crystal at the center of the hilt. Back left again, a selection of grips, emitter caps for the top of the weapon, pommel caps for the bottom. To build a lightsaber is your personal journey. But don't worry, you will not stumble. We've trained all our lives for this. Let's build.
Hey, how we doing? First thing we need to do is put the crystal into the chassis. There's a spring right here. Look at the little windows. Push up on the point of the crystal against the spring. We're giving place to the thumb down below. Once you get it in, it's going to glow and start doing that.
Push it up
So next we're going to move on to the activation switch in column 5. But it is all color coded for the switch, so you got to notice. Are you still doing that? Yeah. Can I help you? Right. Yeah, this is the hardest part right here. There you go. I've done it a few times. So the activation switch on column 5, it's all color coded. There's a red square and a blue square. See the red square and blue square on the chassis? So each piece of the switch you pick up is going to have either a red square or the blue square. Don't mix and match. You pick one pair or the other.